Welcome to our tutorial on how to redact text in PDF using IronPDF. We will start by installing IronPDF through the NuGet Package Manager. I have already got it installed, so let's jump right into our program.cs file. In our console application, we first need to set the license key for IronPDF. This step ensures we can use all the library's features without limitations. I have enclosed the license key within a region to keep our code tight. Remember, for security reasons, you won't see the action license key in this tutorial. Next, we load the PDF document that we want to redact. Here, we are loading a file named novel.pdf located in the f-ironpdf directory. We use the pdf document .from file method to accomplish this. Now comes the redaction part. We call the redact text on all pages method on our PDF document, specifying the text we want to redact. In this example, we are removing the word "are" from all the pages in the document. Once the redaction is complete, we save the modified PDF. The Save As method allows us to save our redacted document with a new name, redacted.pdf, in the same directory. Now, let's run our program to see it in action. The console will execute the script, process the PDF, and create the redacted version. The program was executed successfully, and now let's check the output. And here is our original PDF, and here is the redacted PDF. You can see that every instance of the word "are" has been removed from the document. And that's it. You have just learned how to easily redact text from a PDF using IronPDF in a console application. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And to get started with IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click in the link below in the description and try it for yourself.